everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tanika Dion. Today we're going to be doing the unboxing for the March 2019 Boxycharm. All right, it's a little late in the evening. Well, it's about 7 o'clock. So I am doing this a little late, and I was out today, and when I got home about an hour ago, my Boxycharm was here. So I decided to go ahead and do this unboxing before I took off my face and everything. I did put on my PJs and everything already, but I did not wash my face yet, so I said I better go ahead and do the unboxing. It's going to be a short video, I'm hoping. So without any more rambling, let's get into the video. All right, everyone knows what Boxycharm looks like. Everybody gets this box right about now, so you know. Little black box, and let's see here. Really to keep it all the way 100 with y'all, I actually probably got this box on Monday maybe, but as usual, when I get my boxes, I don't do the videos for them till maybe a week or two later. My unboxings is always late after everybody else's, but whatever, I don't care. Anyway, okay, so I opened it and it looks like this inside. All right, and for those of you who do not know, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box. It is $21 a month, and you can also upgrade to their Boxylux, which is an additional $28.99, which you get every 3 months, so it's 4 times a year: March, June, September, and December. I did get a Boxylux in December. I was supposed to get one in March, and I was so disappointed when I realized that I could have, let me tell you a little quick story what happened. I had been waiting for the March Boxylux because I loved the December one so much. I knew, you know, I was going to keep up with the upgrade. So let me just tell you really quickly. What happened was I had went shopping with my, well, me and my husband had went shopping, and due to no fault of anyone, well, I guess you can say it was my fault, but anyway, I lost the debit card. I lost it. I don't know how. Excuse me. I am not usually that careless at all. I don't know what happened, but whatever. I lost the debit card. Could not find it. My husband didn't have it. You know, I asked my oldest son, nobody. So, you know, whatever. So what I had to end up going ahead and doing, it was to cancel, all my subscriptions that I knew was coming out. Cause this happened like, let me see, it was to come out on March the 1st. So I think this happened like February 25th or 6th, because it was only like 3-4 days before the 1st. I don't know. Again, I just don't know what happened and how or where, because I never found it. You know, no one's ever reported it, of course. But, you know, as soon as I realized that it was gone, I immediately, and let me tell you what I did, which is crazy. I did not immediately go to the bank to cancel the card. I didn't. I don't know where my mind was. What I went ahead and did was I canceled all my damn subscriptions. All of them. All of them. Exactly. And that was dumb because all I had to do was go in there and just like change the card. That's all I had to do. But no, I just canceled all subscriptions. I canceled them all. And I had, let's see, at the time in March, I had four boxes that I was doing subscriptions, 4 or 5, I can't remember, but I canceled them all, every single one. And like I said, instead of canceling them, all I had to do was just change the card for that month. I could have just used our regular credit card. That's all I had to do. But I wasn't thinking that way. I was not thinking that way, so I just canceled all subscriptions. And then after I canceled all the subscriptions, I went ahead, then I contacted the bank and had them do everything that they needed to do. Then they sent us a new card and all that stuff. That, you know, that takes a while because we don't have the bank where they can print out the card right there. So we had to wait till a new card came, you know, but if we needed money or to do things, we could have either used the check or whatever, or do online like we always do. But anywho, so, make a long story short, I did not sign back up in time to get the March Boxylux. If I had just changed the freaking card, if I had been thinking and just changed the card, I could have still got it, but again, I didn't think that way. So whatever, I will definitely be getting it in June because I don't anticipate nothing going wrong for June. So all right, let's get back to the video. Okay, again, it looks like this. And this box is, this month's theme is La Vie en Rose. La Vie en Rose. There you go. Very cute, very pink, very rosy. All right. And of course, this card just tells you everything that's in the box and how much it costs. Okay. So first thing that comes out is the Wonder Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. This is going to be awesome. I love peel off masks. I just started liking them because before all I ever wanted was the sheet mask because I felt like they were so easy. You just put them on and take them off after 15-20 minutes and then rub all the stuff in your face and boom, then you can put on your, you know, serums or lotions and all that stuff you want to do. So I used to think they were great, but after trying a few other peel off masks, I really like them. They're great. I really like them. And yeah, so I'm going to really enjoy this because Wanda Beauty has some good stuff. I've never ordered like their makeup and things like that, but I think I might. I think I might go and see how their, you know, foundation and stuff like that is. I want to try some other stuff because their products are good. Their skincare stuff like mask and eye mask and things like that. Yeah, so, okay, that's the Wonder Beauty, and that is $34, you guys. And yeah, my eyelash is coming off. I already know that, but it still looks cute. Y'all can't really tell unless I tell y'all, you know what I'm saying? Because I was getting ready to rip that thing off. I pulled it up and it was coming off. Then I said, oh yeah, I'm supposed to do the Boxycharm thing. So I said, okay, let me try to tack that thing back on. I mean, at least it's staying on by this because of that thing is keeping it held on. But you know, I look cute. And my hair was not like this today. I threw this on because, again, I forgot I was going to do the unboxing. I actually had my own hair down, but I already wrapped it up and got my little scarf on. So I just threw this on so I can get the video done, you know? Oh, okay. So back to the video. Next thing is Muda. I guess it's Muda. Powder and soft glow brushes. Very, very cute. They look cute on the box. Let me see what they look like here. All right, very cute. Little pinky. Is this like a rose gold pinky? Really, really cute. Like this. They're really cute. Oh my goodness. Oh, I don't want to put on my face because I got makeup on. Oh my gosh, it's so soft, y'all. Shit. So soft. Ooh, love it. I'm gonna love using that. Oh yeah, this is nice. This is nice. This reminds me of my my Luxie, wherever it is right now. Where the hell's my brush? Oh, right here. It reminds me of this Luxie brush right here. Super, super, super soft and really, really, oh gosh, so awesome. Really, really, really good. That's my Luxie. Put that back in my brush holder. Okay, but yeah, these are soft. I know these are gonna be fun. Yeah, I would probably, if anything, I would use this one for a highlight, and this one I would go under the eyes because I don't set my face anymore. So, but due to my dry skin, I stopped setting my face. Alrighty, so yeah, and those are gonna be cute and good to use. And let's see, those brushes are $29.99. The Moda 2-piece powder and soft glow kit is the ultimate dynamic duo. Alrighty, so, and the next thing is this Ofra long-lasting liquid lipstick in Monaco. Looks like that. Y'all know this is my type of color. My type of color. Yes, I love it. Since I have stuff on, I could take it off, but don't feel like it. But yeah, looks like that. Oh, it's like a little metallic. Little metallic-y. Little metallic. Little metallic. Little metallic. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take off my stuff. Let me get me a little makeup wipe here. Take off my stuff. Take it off. Normally I would put, after taking this off, put on a little sugar scrub or balm, but I'm not going to do that. Oh, look, took off my makeup. Now I'm going to look all crazy. I don't even have nothing to put on because there's nothing on my brushes or nothing. To try to bring that back to life here. That look crazy. All right, y'all, whatever. Let's go ahead and put on the liquid lipstick. Pretty, it's a metallic. Being extra, I don't need this much. Pretty. All right, next thing is we have here an Appeal liquid eyeshadow. And I forgot to tell you that that Ofra long-lasting liquid lipstick is $20. $20 for the lipstick. And again, the color is Monaco. All right, and this Appeal liquid eyeshadow, let's see. I don't see a color here unless I'm overlooking it. Gold. Makes sense. It's gold. Appeal liquid eyeshadow. I already got a bit of, you know, I put some Stila right in the center there. One of those Stila glitter sticks or whatever. I don't even know the proper name for the Stila ones, but that's what I put on my eye today. It's one of those little glitter. Yeah, the Stila. I put this right there in the center lid. And I used the Ace Beauty palette today. Just use this, what is this? Poppy Myrtle. I use Poppy. Wait, is that Poppy? No, Poppy is the matte black, black, matte red type color. And then the Myrtle, which is this shimmer color here. And then the Prime Rose right here. I use all three of those to create this look. And then use the Stila on top of that. All right, so since I have some, but I'm going to go ahead and do it anyway. Oh, look at the little brush. It's like a little brush. Anyway, I'm going to do that right next to this. Oh, freaking. Look at that. Look at that. That is pigmented. Let me go ahead and put some on since I'm going to bed anyway. Let's go ahead and see what that does. I'll put it right here. Oh, look at that. Pretty. Oh, that's pretty, y'all. Oh, that is pretty. I don't want my eyelash to fall off now. Shit. Oh, that is so cute. This is gonna be nice. This is gonna be nice, y'all. Nice. Appeal, that is Appeal Cosmetics, $21. I would buy some more of these. I'm gonna have to look this up. Shit, wait till the next payday, honey. Shit. All right, I like them. Nice. Okay, and oh, last thing in the box is Cover FX Perfector Face Palette, light medium. All righty, looks like this on the front. And on the back with the colors and things and ingredients. Okay. Starlight is a highlighter. Moonbeam brightener. Divine highlighter. Silhouette contour. Stellar finishing powder. And sublime blush. All right. The palette comes with this beautiful big mirror. It just has a piece of paper on there. It's good so it won't blind you. And look at that. Very, very, very pretty. Look at that. Pretty. No, I don't have my wedding rings on. I take my wedding rings off at night. I feel weird now that I'm looking at me in the camera. Yeah, I take them off every night. I don't wear my stuff to bed. I'm not a jewelry person. I only wear my wedding rings because I'm required to by law. Well, actually, I'm not required to by law, but in my husband's eyes, I'm required to. So that's why I wear my wedding ring. But anyway, yeah, this is very, very pretty. So pretty. As you know, I'm already done up here, so it's not really gonna, oh my gosh, I really like that Appeal liquid lipstick. That's nice. I like that. Anyway, so yeah, I tried to do a swatch of each one off camera, guys, and it was an epic fail because the colors are so extremely light. They barely showed up on my skin, and my skin is pretty light, but I mean, the blush did, you know, the blush is a very pretty color. I mean, I like the blush. The finishing powder has like shimmer sparkles in there. I wouldn't use that all over my face. You know, I might do a little touching up a little highlight or something with it, but that's it. And then this brightening powder, oh, I don't know, that might be a little, it got a little shimmers in there too, sort of. I don't know if I would use that as a brightener under the eyes either. I'm not sure, but the two highlight shades, they're pretty. I mean, they're pretty. I would use these definitely. So I'll use these in another video when I'm not already made up. But yeah, nice palette. I like it. So yeah, and that is everything that's in the box this month. This is a nice box. I'm very happy with it. And as always, thank you so much for watching my video today. If you have not done so already, please hit that subscribe button, the little notification bell, so you never miss an upload. Like the video and comment. Please tell me your thoughts. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much. Have a good night. Bye.